Electrical Installation Regulations of 2009 Definitions. Electrical installation means any machinery in or on any premises used for the transmission of electricity from a point of control to a point of consumption anywhere on the premises, including any article forming part of such an electrical installation, irrespective of whether or not it is part of an electrical circuit, but excluding a. Any machinery of the supplier related to the supply of electricity on a premises, b. Any machinery which transmits electrical energy in communication circuits, c. An electrical installation on a vehicle, vessel, train or aircraft, and d. Control circuits of 50 volts or less that are separately installed and supplied from an independent source or an isolating transformer. Specialized electrical installations means electrical installations in a. Explosive atmospheres as contemplated in SANS 10086 Part 1, b. The petroleum industry as contemplated in SANS 10089 Part 2, c. Hazardous locations as contemplated in SANS 10108, or d. Medical locations as contemplated in SANS 10142 Part 1. Installation work means a. The installation, extension, modification or repair of electrical installation, or b. The connection of machinery at the supply terminals of such machinery, or c. The inspection, testing and verification of electrical installations for the purpose of issuing a COC. Certificate of Compliance means a. A certificate with a unique number obtainable from the Chief Inspector in the form of Annexure 1 and issued by a registered person in respect of an electrical installation or part thereof. Or b. A COC issued under the Electrical Installation Regulations of 1992. General control in relation to electrical installation work includes instruction, guidance and supervision in respect of that work. Accreditation Authority means the South African National Accreditation System. Registered person means a person registered in terms of a. Regulation 11 or b. Regulation 9 of the Electrical Installation Regulations of 1992 as an electrical tester for single phase, an installation electrician or a master installation electrician. Electrical contractor means a person who performs electrical installation work on behalf of any other person but excludes any employee of such first mentioned person. Electrical tester for single phase means a person registered as an electrical tester for single phase in terms of Regulation 11 for the verification and certification of the construction, testing and inspection of single phase electrical installations, excluding specialized electrical installations. Installation electrician means a person registered as an installation electrician in terms of Regulation 11 for the verification and certification of the construction, testing and inspection of any electrical installation, excluding specialized electrical installations. Master installation electrician means a person registered as a master installation electrician in terms of Regulation 11 for the verification and certification of the construction, testing and inspection of any electrical installation. Supplier means any person who supplies or contracts or agrees to supply electricity to that electrical installation. Point of supply means the point at which electricity is supplied to any premises by a supplier. Point of control means A. The point at which an electrical installation on or in any premises can be switched off by a user from the electricity supplied from the point of supply. Or B. The point at which a particular part of an electrical installation on or in any premises can be switched off where different users occupy different portions of such premises. Supply terminals means in relation to machinery installed as a complete unit, the terminals or connection clamps on such machinery where the external conductor supplying the machinery with electricity are connected. Point of outlet means any termination of an electrical installation which has been provided for connecting any electrical machinery without the use of tools. Point of consumption. Any point of outlet or the supply terminals of machinery which is not connected to a point of outlet and which converts electrical energy to another form of energy. Provided that machinery which has been installed as a complete unit, the point of consumption shall be the supply terminals of the unit.